Are you planning to sell your home this summer? Here are some essential tips for a successful summer sale. Number 1, enhance outdoor spaces. Summer buyers love outdoor living spaces, so make sure your yard's patio or deck are in tip-top condition. Number 2, keep it cool and inviting. Summer heat can be challenging for buyers, so make sure your home feels cool and comfortable. Make sure to turn your air conditioning on before showings, because there's nothing worse than running a buyer out of the house because it's too hot. Number 3, maximize natural light. Bright sunlit places are more appealing to buyers. So a couple of things that can make a difference would be to use light neutral paint colors, light airy decor, and make sure you get your windows cleaned. So are you ready to prepare your home for a summer sale? Reach out to me. I'd love to have a conversation with you about having a summer sale.